Hey there, iPhone users! Experiencing trouble with your Cash App payments? If you're frustrated by a payment failed message, don't worry, we're here to help. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix Cash App payments failed on iPhone with a detailed step-by-step process. Let's get you back on track to sending and receiving money seamlessly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is ensure that your internet connection is strong and stable. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, a weak connection can cause transactions to fail. Here's what to do. Verify that you're connected to a reliable network. If using Wi-Fi, try switching off the router for a few seconds before turning it back on. Consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem resolves itself. Having a stable connection can quickly fix many payment issues related to connect. Step 2. Confirm account balance and card details. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account or linked bank account. Sometimes a transaction fails simply because of insufficient funds. Open your Cash App and check your account balance. Ensure that the debit or credit card information linked to your Cash App is up to date and has enough balance. Keeping your financial details updated will enhance seamless transactions. Step 3. Update or reinstall the Cash App. Payment failures can sometimes be resolved by updating your app to the latest version or reinstalling it. Here's how. Head to the App Store, search for Cash App, and check if there's an update available. If yes, install it. If updating doesn't help, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. After reinstallation, log into your account and attempt the transaction again. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes accumulated cache can interfere with app functionality. Clearing cache and data can solve this problem. Go to Setting, General, iPhone Store. Find Cash App on the list and select. Tap on Offload App, which does not delete your app's data. This process cleans any unnecessary data that could hinder the app's operation. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails, it might be time to contact Cash App support. Here's how. Open the Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Cash Support. Choose something else and then navigate through the prompts to describe your issue. Reaching out to support will give you direct response and possibly reveal additional solutions for your issue. Navigating the world of digital payments can sometimes be smooth or face a few bumps, but knowing how to fix Cash App payments failed on iPhone provides you with tools to confidently tackle any issues. From checking your internet connection and updating the app to seeking help from customer support, these steps will ensure you can enjoy a seamless payment experience. Prioritize these solutions and soon, failed transaction will be a thing of the past. Happy transacting.